It is completely and utterly clear that the worst responses to the COVID-19 pandemic have come from the governments and the politicians of the right, the reactionary right. It's no mistake that the largest death tolls are recorded in the UK, in the US, in Brazil, because those right-wing governments refused to listen to the medical advice and put their economies before their people. Well, Boris Johnson, it's time for you to be called out, because your own scientific advisor has now revealed that had you followed the advice and locked down the UK 7 days earlier, you would have saved over 20,000 lives. Boris Johnson, you're responsible for the excess deaths of at least 20,000. Never mind the hundreds of health and care workers who died during this COVID-19 pandemic because you failed to prepare the health and care service. You failed to provide the personal protective equipment. You failed to get the testing, tracing strategy in place. Boris Johnson, you and your other right-wing friends like Bolsonaro and Trump, you should be held to account for the manslaughter, for the unnecessary deaths of thousands of ordinary people who did not need to die, but for your negligence. Johnson, you're responsible for those deaths.